If you were just about to lose hope on the crypto market, do not be fooled, because today, this chart right here reveals something massive for the Bitcoin price, and I cannot wait to talk about the recent price action and discuss with you guys what we could expect next from here. So as usual, we'll be starting off inside the daily time frame charts, and then later on in the video, we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook for the Bitcoin price. But right now we are inside the daily time frame charts, and yes, even though the past couple of weeks has been bad for the Bitcoin price, right now though, we do find the Bitcoin price perfectly retraced to a key level of support right here at around 60k, or this general blue zone. And why do I say this could be a big moment for the Bitcoin price? That is because if you do take a look at the price history for Bitcoin, whenever we do see Bitcoin have a dip towards the downside and touch this blue zone right here, or touch the 60k level, we do tend to have a strong reaction at this level, and we do tend to have nice bounces towards the upside. And Bitcoin has done this multiple times in history, so technically this is a key level of support. And the big news right now is, if you are losing hope, well, guess what? Today we do find the Bitcoin price once again perfectly retraced towards this key level of support at around 60k. And as a matter of fact, the Bitcoin price has already reacted towards this level by having a bounce at this level in the past couple of days towards the upside, and now we are technically moving sideways. So it is showing that we have lost the downside momentum, because the past couple of weeks has been brutal. It was a non-stop dump towards the downside, but right now we do find the Bitcoin price taking a breather, taking a cool down, and we are now moving sideways. So technically this level is in fact supporting the price, and Bitcoin is reacting towards this level. So let me know in the comments if you think Bitcoin would have a bounce off of this level and would begin the new uptrend, because what I'm saying right now is that this is a very, very key level of support, and from a technical standpoint, there is a high chance that we could expect the Bitcoin price to bounce off of this level. And also, in addition to that one, if you do take a look at the daily time frame MACD, you can see that we are about to have a bullish cross right over here in the next couple of days. So pay close attention to this one, because there are multiple indicators starting to flip bullish for Bitcoin. And in my opinion, this isn't the time to lose hope again. So leave your comments down below. Do you think we're going to be having a bounce at this level, or do you think we are going to be going down lower? I want to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Personally, I think that this is a key level of support, and we could expect some sort of bounce at this level in the next couple of days. But again, losing this level would be very dangerous for the Bitcoin price as well, because if you do lose this blue zone right here, we could dump furthermore towards the downside, towards possibly 52k. So hopefully that doesn't happen, and hopefully the bullish scenario plays out instead, which is a bounce off of this level. Now let us talk about the long term and discuss my long-term outlook for Bitcoin. So if you're wondering, my view still remains the same, and I personally think that this dip we are seeing right now is just temporary, and we are still targeting a $150,000 Bitcoin in this cycle. So from the price we're at right now, that is going to be about a 160% pump towards the upside. And if you're wondering where we are in the cycle right now, I am speculating that we are in the middle of its cycle, and we are halfway complete, because if you take a look at the logarithmic chart right here, we have marked key levels of support and resistance. And for this cycle, we are predicting the blow off top to occur around this red line, or this red zone right here, and that is at around 150k. So yeah, personally, I think we are still on track for higher prices, and the dip we're seeing right now is just normal. It has happened multiple times in history. In the last bull cycles right here, you can see that dips were always a part of the game, and then after the dips we do have a nice rally towards the upside, and that is what I think is happening right now in this cycle. We are still in an uptrend, but dips cannot be avoided, and dips are a necessary part of the game. So that is pretty much it. I think that Bitcoin is still bullish in the long term. In the short term, we could expect some more bearish price action, but that doesn't affect my investing strategy for Bitcoin. So leave your comments down below. Do you think that we are going to be marking the bottom right here and we're going to be ready for a new uptrend, or do you think we can go down lower? I want to hear your thoughts down below. Also, if you guys are looking for a community or a group of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.